Okay, we are now going to install unicycler. So we are going to use conda to do this. Okay, so make sure you have installed Anaconda. So if you have installed Anaconda, then what you have to do next is to add conda channels. We are going to add one channel, and that is by conda. So I'll say conda config add channels, and I'll say bio conda. The channel has been added, so now I'm going to create an environment and install unicycler in it. So I'll say conda create -n, and I'll say assembly, and I'll say unicycler, and then I'm going to install it. So let's execute this command. Okay, I am now going to type Y to confirm. So once I do that, conda will download all the necessary packages, install, and then configure them for us. So let's wait for conda to finish its work. Okay, conda has completed its work. So if you want to use unicycler, you have to activate the environment. The environment is called assembly. So this is the command to activate the environment. If you want to deactivate, you can use this one. So let's activate the environment. Okay, we are now going to activate our environment. So I'll say conda activate assembly. Okay, we have activated an environment. So now we can call unicycler. Let's do an ls and check our files.